Welcome to the channel. Today we are going to talk about how you can choose your preferred feed view on the LinkedIn app on your phone. This setting allows you to control whether you see the most relevant posts or the most recent posts in your feed. First, open the LinkedIn app on your phone. Then tap on your profile icon located at the top left. Next, scroll down and select Settings. Once you're in the Settings menu, tap on Account Preferences. Next, scroll down until you find Preferred Feed View. Tap on Preferred Feed View to open the selection screen. Here, you can choose between Most Relevant Posts or Most Recent Posts, depending on what you prefer. Selecting Most Relevant Posts will show you posts LinkedIn thinks are most important to you. Choosing Most Recent Posts will display posts in chronological order, so you see the latest updates first. Once you make your choice, it will be applied immediately, and your feed will start showing content according to your selection. Make sure to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more useful LinkedIn tips and tutorials.